Hello students, welcome to your math class. Students, in last class we have learned median mode of the observation. Students, in this class we are going to learn graph, types of graph, bar graph and double bar graph. Okay, so students, what is the graph? Graph is a diagram. Graph is a diagram which show the relationship between the number. Generally, graphs arrange the numerical information into a picture form. Generally, graph arrange the numerical information into a picture form. Okay, children. So, types of the graph. There are three types. First, bar graph. Yes, bar graph. Second, double bar graph. This is the bar graph and this is the double bar graph, and third one is the pictograph. Students, in this class, in grade 7, we have to study only bar graph and double bar graph. So children, what is the bar graph? Bar graph. Children, when we are talking about the bar graph, so bar graph is a pictorial representation of numerical data in the form of rectangles. That rectangles is called the bars with equal width and varying height. When we will observe this, so this is the bar and in the rectangle form, its width are equal. Okay, its width are equal, but the varying height means height or different. Okay, children. Graph, it uses bar of different length and equal width, as already I told to you, to show the frequencies of the classes. Okay, and it is used to show the relationship between groups, between numbers, and the two items being compared do not need to be affected each other. So generally we have to learn means a bar graph is a pictorial representation which is represent numerical information in the form of rectangles with equal width and varying height. Now, how we will construct a bar graph? Generally, we will take the graph paper and draw two lines. One line is the horizontal and second line is the vertical, and these two lines meet at the point. So children, what is this called? What is this called? Means what is called this line, and what is called this line, and what is this? Okay, so children, what is this? This is vertical line, and what is this? This is horizontal line or x-axis, and what is this? This is a bar. This bar, this is the bar. This is a rectangle. Okay, so let's see. Vertical axis y always labeled and numbered, and horizontal axis x always labeled and numbers. So children, this, what is this? This is a bar. The height of this bar show the frequencies recorded. This height of this bar is showing the frequencies recorded, but the width is not showing anything. Only it's a height, because it's a height or varying. So each bar shall show the different frequency that was recorded. This is the example how we will draw the bar graph. The marks obtained by the Kunal in annual examinations are: in Hindi he got 63 marks, in English he got 75 marks, in maths he got 90 marks, in science he got 72 marks, in SST he got 58 marks. So children, we have to draw a bar graph and we have to show this data. Okay, this is the numerical data we have to show through the pictures. Okay, so children, first we will draw two axes, that is x-axis horizontal and this is the y-axis, that is the vertical. Okay children, on the graph paper, and we will write the subject on the x-axis because vertical axis generally show the frequencies. Okay, so marks obtained, we have to consider the scale. One big division is equal to 10 marks. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like that. So children, in Hindi he got 63 marks. So this is the 63 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, 63 is there. 63. Draw. And this is Hindi. Which subject is this? This is the Hindi. Okay. Now in English he got 75 marks. So 75 is there. 75. In math he got 90 marks. Maximum marks in math. Because he was also like the math. No. So in math he got 90 marks. In science this is 90. Yes, student. And this is 75. And in science he got 72 marks. So 72 will be here. 72 marks. Okay. Like that, children. In SST he got 58 marks. So 58. This is 50. Okay. When you observe, children, so these rectangles means these bars have the equal width. These bars have the equal width. Width of these bars are equal and varying height. Heights are different. Like that, we will draw the bar graph to show the numerical information.